Hello and welcome to Zinzans TV. Zinzans TV, thank you so much guys for subscribing to your YouTube channel. I see we are growing. We are growing gradually. I thank God and I thank you guys for subscribing and supporting this channel. This is the biggest TV channel in Zimbabwe and in Africa right now. So please, if you are new to this channel, there is a bell below. Just hit that bell, notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever I upload anything new, you are the first person to get that thing. So we'll bring to you several news concerning musicians, celebrity, socialites, businessmen, popular people, socialites, and etc. So all the latest news you find them here. You find them here at Zinzans TV. So today, guys, we're talking about Konangale. We know Konangale is a rising star. Konangale rose to fame last year, 2024, after a decade in the game without being known and without being recognized. But Konangale started making waves early last year, and now we can say he has made a name in the game. Konangale has been clashing with Mbida D for quite some time. They had a first clash last year, and Konangale was defeated. Mbida D won the BMW, but Konangale wasn't satisfied about the outcome of the battle, so he requested if Temperman Godfather would organize another battle again so that they would clash. Temperman Godfather, he agreed to that, and Konangale and Mbida D, they did a sting at National Sports City Sports Center, whereby we saw Konangale overpowering Mbida D on stage. We just saw fans throwing cans at Mbida D, so that, and we can see that people didn't like Mbida D. At first he won, but right now he didn't win. Konangale took the victory. We see Konangale as a humble youth and a focused youth, because he explained his journey recently at Ola 7 podcast, explaining where he's coming from, his challenges he's been facing in the industry, and all those things he was narrating to the people and letting his fans know. So there's this other small boy called Flex H Mukuru Pfungwa. I think we all know this young boy. He's still upcoming, not well known, but he's still in the music circles in the game. Mukuru Pfungwa he had an interview with DJ Sparks, Sim Reality TV, whereby he started talking and sharing Konangale's secrets, that Konangale is not in Ndebele. Konangale visited Bulawayo, but Konangale was born and bred in Murewa. That's where he did his primary studies, and he came to Harare later on. But it didn't end up well, because Flex H even released a diss song that Mukomana uyo haasi, Mukomana uyo ndoko waterfalls, Mukomana uyo akafeka identity, and Mukomana uyo is a disgrace and a shame to the Shona tribe. Mukomana uyo anonzi Flex H, what he did was not right. How could he mention that, of which all of us were Zimbabweans, regardless Shona, Ndebele, Tonga, Ochi, we are just Zimbabweans. So we are not copies, so as in Abahasa, I don't think it was necessary. He wasn't supposed to mention something like that, because it causes division, which means kanani mafans ari kublawa Flex H ga mafans akachanakirwa naye, because how will they sing something like that? So I thought maybe kana munhu akaimba nechishona achiva kumaNdebele saka ari kubhaiza. That's not it. I didn't see it. It didn't sit well with me. So zvadaro Konangale akadedza kuinterview kuti atsanangure maonero ake nyaya iyoyo, ataure mamiriro akaita nyaya yake, kuti nyaya iyi yakamira sei, kuti zviri kunzi mukomana akafika identity and stuff zvakamira sei. Konangale akayama spotlight and he said, inini I'm not from Waterfalls. I was just staying there because ndinchorenda ndichitobhadhirawo chi marentals, asi inini ndakakurira kwaMurewa. ndikaitira primary yangu kwamurehwa, ndikazoenda Bulawayo, ndokuna vabereki vangu Bulawayo. Bulawayo ndinokuziva ende ndinogona ndebele yacho, saka zvitara mukomana uyu handizivi kuti ndezvipi, rinenge tori jealous. So kuna ngale abva adzora vanhu kumashure bheki pakatangira nyaya yake iye naFlex H. Anoti iye kuna ngale they used to stay together with Flex H back then, and they used even to share the same towel. And they share towel rimwe chete naFlex H, to share na food, which means those guys, they were staying together like brothers. But zvinonzi pane nguva yakazotanga kupisa Flex H mbichana kudarika kuna ngale. Anzi Flex H anga kudziya, anzi akazona kunge apinda, then asati tanga kuganzira mukomana, asamudaire macalls, mfesa akafona adaire macalls and stuff. But munoziva guys kuti kana Mwari vachikuda Mwari, if you have grace, no amount of disgrace or no amount of hate chingauraya grace inenge iri pauri iyoyo hazviite. Which means kuna ngale anga negrace yange akatakura, but anga akamirira nguva yake yebreakthrough kuti ikwane. So we all see kuti recently kuna ngale akabva tanga kuputika ende kuna ngale even mentioned kuti vana buyaka anzi okwana they appear kunge vanhu vari humble pasocial media, but vanoganza zvisingaiti. Because maartist guys, they know each other better mozia than isusu mafans, because vanoswera vese, vanotamba vese, so andoziva kuti uyu anofaira uyu, uyu anoba uyu, uyu anoutsinyo mozia. So zvichongori normal izvozvo, hazvo zvinoshamisa hazvo. Zvadaro manje he even said vakomana vava vanoganza, vakomana vava those guys vanoganza big time, and what they show to the public is not what they are. They fake their identities pamberi pevanhu. I don't know, ndovanoziva zvakatika pavari. So kuna ngale akabva menshina kuti muziva kuti inini masecrets avakomana aya handina akawanda masecrets avakomana. So ndakabudisa masecret aFlex H nhasi unowa ma1. He even said Flex H akamborara musango, akainterviewa naTT Sparks naZigo TV, akati inini Flex H akatomborara musango, but handisi munhu kuti ndingada kuzvitaura nhasi paredhiyo because hazvipe picture yakanaka. Well done kuna ngale. Thank you so much for being so mature like this. Waradza kukura kwako, but azongoti kona akarara musango ngomana. Saka ngomana akarara musango, nobody knows zvinoitika mumakomana mugame. So yeah guys, nozvoitika guys, kuna ngale ari kupisa kuna ngale right now. So and toona kuti recently pakatanga gorapa akakata contract yake neReonas Productions, iyo yaiva record label yaimushandira naye pamarecordings and stuff. Saka zvichireva kuti manje kuna ngale ava artists azvimirira, maybe looking in way forward kuti apartner someone kuti basa riende mberi. So thank you so much guys. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I upload anything new, you are the first to get that update. You are the first to be updated. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned. Zimsounds TV loves you.